right, so there's our nice new brass contact rotor. Nice new brass contact US made cap. Not junk. So we'll put that on. Get that on there. Put that in. And then we can start doing our plugs and wires. And I'll work on wiring up the coil as well. Much nicer. Much nicer.
Look at this.
What do you got? What do you got? What do you got?
Bracket.
Ooh, redid your coil bracket?
Yeah, it looks good. Didn't go nuts. We didn't like scrub it like crazy,
No,
but
we just took the good
look,
off of it.
It's gonna look a lot better in there with everything else.
Slide
Everything
the
else
coil
looks
in.
pretty good.
Yeah, it'll be nice. All right, that's coming along nicely. Alrighty. Get this fuel line handled next. And Nick's gonna handle our plugs and wires. Fantastic. All right, got our coil mounted where we want her. Now I'm gonna work on our Pertronics wiring, get that all done, verify we have a constant 12 volts here, not 6. I think we might have to bypass a resistor wire, but we can do that here in a bit. Get that all together. Looking good. God, that cap looks great. Bam.